It's Saturday evening, and I am starving. It's a little late in the evening to be going to the store because the stores will be closed now, and I need a good dinner. Just need a good meal. What do I do? I'm trying to think of everything that I have. I have nothing in the fridge. Fridge seems empty. No protein bars. None of it. Absolutely none of it. So what do I do? I check the drawers. There are no crisps there. There's absolutely nothing, no protein. But there's one place I haven't checked. And the place I haven't checked is the freezer. And then on checking that place, I came across one red bag. And it happened to be spicy chicken patties. Just one remaining, folks. Just one was remaining. Look at that. Absolutely nothing. Just one was remaining. So, on those lines, I was thinking, what can I do with that chicken patty? I'm starving. It's late. And I need to do something. So, I put two and two together. I opened the fridge again. And there was sliced bread. Sliced white bread. I was like, okay, that's an idea. Sliced white bread with chicken patty. Now we're getting somewhere, aren't we? We are getting somewhere. So I put it in the air fryer. The chicken patty went into the air fryer. And this is what I have. Sliced chicken patty, 2 slices of bread, and what's going to happen next? This patty is going to go in between the slices of bread. Okay? Now, now this is spicy chicken. Okay, it's fine. It's great. We can eat it without any flavorings. But I want that zing factor when I'm having a limited meal. I call it a limited meal because, I just didn't have lunch, or it's lunchtime, or maybe I'm a student and I was preparing for an exam, tomorrow, and I don't have something to eat today because I was so busy studying, or I'm a workaholic and I'm just working and I forgot to even eat. So that can happen easily, right? So this is kind of like an emergency. I call it an emergency limited meal. Okay, now to spice things up, I'm gonna add, I look in the fridge again and I see ketchup. Ketchup, yay, that's cool. And I also see this little hot sauce. Now, this is kind of optional, if I still want some, I can have this limited hot sauce, but just so you know which one it is, Crystal's hot sauce. And just all these ingredients, including the ketchup and the hot sauce, man, my mouth is already watering and I want to eat this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this ketchup and I'm just gonna not put it on the bread or anything. So I'm just going to do it on the side so you can always dip it in, anytime I want. Just a little bit of ketchup. Okay, that's it. That's a good portion for this size of meal, right? And then I'm also gonna add, for good measure, just a little bit of hot sauce too. So my hot sauce is here, and so glad I thought about this. Just gonna add maybe a couple of drops. That's it. Don't have to go overboard with hot sauce, especially when you're eating a spicy chicken patty. You don't want to be doing that. Okay. And the purpose of this video is how to have a good meal when you're starving. So this is a good tip. Okay, so what I'm going to do is the bread is nice and warm, okay, because I put it in the toaster just for barely 20 seconds. I didn't want it to get toasted too much, just to get it warm because it was sitting in the fridge, as you know. All right, so I'm going to dip this beautiful sandwich, which looks amazing to me because I've been starving all day and it just looks like a piece of art. That is a piece of art, folks, to me. Okay, and I'm gonna I'm gonna just dip it in to the sauce. That, folks, hits the spot. Can't wait to dig into the sauce again. Like so, nice big dippings into the sauce. Look at this, so simple. Who knew something simple as this could taste so amazing? Oh wow. It's so good, my friends. Add some more. And also the hot sauces that I mixed in this is giving it a bit of a kick. Glad I didn't add too much hot sauce to it. Would have been overpowering the taste and flavor. Oh, whoa. These are also stars of the show. For sure. Stars of the show. Just a few bites remaining, but best meal of the day. So simple, yet so effective. I'm literally cleaning it up for the last morsel. Amazing, amazing, amazing. So this will be my go-to in the future. It contains protein and carbohydrates, and it's really good. Hits the spot. Yes. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye for now.